Your car's check engine light just turned on. What now? Do you take it to a mechanic and pay a hefty diagnostic fee, or do you take control and diagnose the problem yourself? If you want to save time and money, an OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool, but with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Today we're breaking down the top 5 OBD2 scanners that offer accurate diagnostics, advanced features, and user-friendly operation. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this list has something for you. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the Autel AutoLink AL319, an affordable yet reliable scanner that gets the job done. If you're looking for a simple plug-and-play solution, this scanner is perfect. Reads and clears trouble codes, resets check engine light, and provides real-time data. The color display is easy to read, and the one-click IM readiness check makes emissions testing a breeze, supports multiple languages, and provides quick, accurate diagnostics for most vehicles made after 1996. However, it doesn't support ABS or transmission codes. If you just need a basic scanner for engine diagnostics and emissions tests, the AL319 is a great budget-friendly option. Next up, we have the Foxwell NT301, a step up from basic scanners with more diagnostic capabilities. This scanner not only reads and clears codes, but also displays freeze-frame data and real-time sensor readings, helping you pinpoint issues accurately. The large color screen and hotkey functions make it easy to use. Unlike some budget models, the NT301 allows live data streaming, meaning you can see how your car's components are functioning in real time. Also features built-in speaker alerts for serious issues. However, it does not support ABS, SRS, or transmission diagnostics. For DIYers looking beyond basic diagnostics, the NT301 is a fantastic choice. Additionally, it offers continuous monitoring, meaning it can track vehicle health over time and alert you of any new issues as they arise. This feature is especially useful for detecting intermittent problems before they become major repairs. At number 3 is the Innova 6100P, an excellent choice for those who want more than just engine diagnostics. Unlike the previous scanners, the 6100P includes ABS and SRS code reading, allowing you to diagnose more than just check engine lights. Also offers battery and alternator testing, ensuring your vehicle's electrical system is in good shape. One of its best features is the Repair Solutions app, which provides verified fixes based on real-world repair data. The user-friendly interface and live data streaming make troubleshooting easier. However, it does not support bidirectional control, meaning you cannot actively test components like fuel injectors or actuators. Also allows oil service light resets and battery maintenance alerts, making it a great all-around tool. The expanded vehicle compatibility makes it a great choice for those with multiple cars in the household, covering domestic, European, and Asian vehicles. For home mechanics needing a solid mix of features and affordability, the Innova 6100P is a great pick. If you prefer a wireless solution, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro is the way to go. This scanner pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth and offers dealer-level diagnostics with enhanced codes for ABS, airbags, and transmission. The companion app provides detailed repair reports, including possible fixes based on professional mechanic data. One of its biggest advantages is saving reports and tracking vehicle health over time. Can also scan for manufacturer-specific trouble codes, giving deeper insights into your car. However, it does not support bidirectional controls, meaning you can read codes but not actively test components. The BlueDriver app updates frequently, ensuring compatibility with newer car models. If you want convenience and advanced diagnostics, BlueDriver is the best wireless scanner available. Additionally, the app provides repair suggestions and estimated repair costs, making it a great tool not just for diagnosis, but also for budgeting repairs before heading to the mechanic. Finally, at number 1, we have the Launch X431 V+, a professional-grade scanner packed with advanced features. Unlike most consumer-grade scanners, the X431 V+ offers full system diagnostics, including ECU coding, key programming, and bidirectional control, supports over 10,000 vehicle models, and receives frequent updates for newer car compatibility, provides real-time data logging, system calibration, and even module reprogramming, allows active testing, diagnosing, meaning you can send commands to car components to check functionality. Also supports ADAS calibration, an essential feature for modern vehicles with advanced driver assistance systems. Not cheap, but for professional mechanics or serious car enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. If you want the most powerful, feature-rich OBD2 scanner, the Launch X431 V Plus is the best. Additionally, the Launch X431 V Plus includes extended wireless range, making it easier to work around the vehicle without being restricted by cables, a huge advantage in busy workshops. And there you have it, the top 5 OBD2 scanners worth considering. Whether you need a budget-friendly option like the Autel 319, a wireless solution like the BlueDriver, or a professional-grade scanner like the Launch X431 V Plus, there's a scanner for every type of car owner. A quality scanner can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in diagnostics and repairs, giving you full control over your vehicle's health. No more unnecessary trips to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, which OBD2 scanner are you planning to get? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.